Hi, I'm James Gray, CEO and owner for Taopix Limited, photo book software company. Taopix is a complete end-to-end platform for any company looking to build a photo book business. That can be a printing company, a photo company, or even an online retailer. What we offer is a complete toolkit that lets you build everything you need for your photo book business. We offer three major parts to our software. We have designer, we have web, and we have production. This allows you to offer everything required to capture the front-end order from your customer all the way through to production and then delivery back to the client. What I'm showing you now is a designer part of our software. This is what your customer would use to build and preview a photo album before submission. So we'll start here. This is a designer running on a Mac. It's identical on the Windows platform. What we have here are a range of photo book products. You can offer as many photo book products as you like. We've got a full wizard to help the user building a photo book for the first time. For this demo, I'm going to turn the wizard off and go straight into the album. And this opens up our designer interface. Now what we have now is our assistant. And this is designed to just help you through the interface the first time you use the software. So we get a bit of information here about adding some pictures. I'm taking here about 150 high-res wedding shots. It's now telling me I can manage pictures and I can use AutoFlow to build the album. And by picture orientation, the software now takes all of my pictures from the left-hand side and builds the entire album. I'm now being told I've got a range of tools that I can work with if I want to. But what I'm going to do is just keep this quite simple. So we can look at our book now, and I can go through each of the pages. If I decide I don't like the look and feel of any particular picture, we can easily crop and scale and resize. And what I'm going to do is just walk through the album. So on this page, I might decide I want to change this picture to the page on the left. So we can take this picture, drag and drop, and it'll now switch the pages over. And this is a good example. I like the pictures that it's chosen, but I don't like the look of the page. It just doesn't work. So what we have now is page styles, and again, it's the same concept, all about drag and drop. So we can take any of these page styles and simply drag them onto the page. It'll reuse the same pictures, but give me a totally different look and feel. We can also work with masks, and this is the same concept again, drag and drop. What a mask will do is just enhance the look and feel of the picture. And if at any point we don't like what we're doing, we've got the full undo. We can undo up to 150 steps, so you're always confident knowing you can go back to where you were. So as I move forward, I can decide now, actually, I'm quite happy with this album. So I'm going to take one last page here and further enhance the look and feel. We can work here with backgrounds. So it's the same concept again. We just drag and drop. The customer can even add their own backgrounds, their own masks, and their own page styles. So I'm almost ready to buy. Before I do, I can take a full screen preview, and I can now walk through all of the pages in my album. I want to make sure that everything looks right before I go ahead and buy. And I'm going to say this is good. And the last part of the designer is the shopping process. And this is where we now run a flight check. We check there's no problems with low resolution images or any other issues, and we would now go through the online process of buying the album. And this is how simple it can be to build a photo book.